Welcome. Before we begin, take a deep breath. You're here, and that's the first step toward feeling at ease. If anxiety is something that you've struggled with, know that you're not alone. This space is dedicated to helping you find calmness within. Sometimes, life feels like a continuous stream of stressors. I've had moments where the weight of it all felt overwhelming. But in those moments, I've discovered that returning to my breath, even just for a few minutes, can shift my whole perspective. As we go through this meditation, remember that there is no wrong way to feel. Your emotions are valid, and this is a space where you're free to let them surface without judgment. Start by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're seated or lying down, allow your body to relax. Let go of any tension. Place your hands gently on your lap or at your sides. Now, close your eyes softly. As you close your eyes, bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Let your breath be soft, slow, and natural. Breath is like an anchor. In moments of chaos, it brings us back to the present. Just by focusing on each inhale and exhale, we remind ourselves that there is peace even in the most turbulent times. Imagine a soft, glowing light surrounding you. This light is a pearlescent sphere, shimmering and warm. Picture yourself inside this sphere, safe and protected. With every breath, this sphere becomes brighter, more vibrant. Feel its warmth and strength. Know that within this space, nothing can harm you. You are shielded from negativity, from fear. You are safe here. I remember a time when I felt anxious, as if everything around me was closing in. I closed my eyes and imagined myself inside this sphere, a place where I could finally breathe. This simple visualization reminded me that I could find safety and calm within, no matter what was happening outside. As you envision this protective light, allow yourself to trust it. Allow it to cradle you. This sphere is here to support you, offering you a moment of peace from whatever might be weighing on your mind. Bring your attention to any emotions that may be present. Anxiety, sadness, frustration, whatever you're feeling, acknowledge it. Don't push it away. Instead, let it be here with you, within this safe space. Tell yourself, it's okay to feel this. My emotions are valid. Allow these feelings to surface without trying to change them. Feel them without judgment. In moments of high anxiety, I used to fight my emotions, trying to push them away. But over time, I realized that accepting them, allowing them to be seen, softened their intensity. It was like giving them permission to exist, which paradoxically helped them to fade. Emotions are like waves. The more we resist, the stronger they feel. But if we honor them, they pass through us, leaving us a little lighter each time. Now, take a slow, deep breath in. Imagine gathering all of your anxiety with this breath, pulling it gently from deep within you. Hold it for a moment, then exhale, releasing the anxiety from your heart, out through your sphere, and into the air. With each breath, bring up more of your anxiety and let it exit with each exhale. Visualize this anxiety leaving your body, dissipating into the light surrounding you. Think of this process as releasing steam from a pot. Each breath is a release, a letting go. As the steam lifts, the pressure within you eases, little by little. Feel each exhale as a moment of release, of freedom from what you no longer need to hold on to. Gently affirm to yourself, I am ready to let go of my anxiety. I honor my emotions, but I no longer need to carry this weight. Say these words silently or out loud if it feels right. Notice how your body responds as you affirm these intentions. Feel the lightness that comes with each affirmation. Affirmations are like planting seeds. With time and repetition, these seeds grow into real, lasting change. The more we tell ourselves that we are capable of letting go, the more our mind begins to believe it. Take a final deep breath, filling yourself with the gentle energy of peace and calm. Feel gratitude for this moment, for taking time for yourself. Know that this safe space is always within you, ready to return to whenever you need it. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. As you return, carry this sense of calm with you. Each meditation, each breath, is a gift to yourself. And remember, the kindness you've shown to yourself here can be your anchor in moments of stress. Meditation is more than just a practice, it's a way of being. By embracing moments of calm and showing ourselves kindness, we develop resilience. Over time, these moments add up, creating a foundation of peace we can lean on whenever we need.